Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing prerequisites. Make sure you have an open devil fruit slot and the recommended combat level, because light fruit spawns attract strong players. Once done, position yourself at high-traffic spawn points and monitor timers. This increases your chance to claim the fruit. While you wait, farm bounty and XP so you can fight immediately and equip movement boosts to outpace rivals. These actions matter because timing and mobility decide whether you get to pick the fruit first. Act now. Once the fruit spawns, you must execute fast. You use scouts or allies to bait opponents, and you position to intercept steal attempts because controlling space removes contest. Then, immediately eat the fruit and chain light's core attacks. Practice plant beam into flash step combos to maximize burst damage and mobility. Make sure to activate armament haki to win trades and observation haki to predict grapples. These technical choices let you convert the spawn into sustained dominance, rather than just a quick pick. To finish, you consolidate control. Clear the immediate area for at least 30 to 60 seconds so rivals cannot snipe your eat window. Then, allocate stats toward fast and ATK and rehearse your light rotations until they become reflexive. This is how you translate fruit power into wins. If someone steals the fruit, first use teleport or server hop options and avoid returning to crowded spawns. Alternatively, group up and contest again. Quick recovery and smart stat choices solve most problems. Remember that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.